What's going on, everybody? I just want to take a minute to apologize for the delay in this video coming out. Honestly, I thought all this footage was completely gone because I couldn't get my external hard drive to communicate with the computer, but I was able to salvage it. Not all of it, and some of the files didn't come through. But yeah, here's the outcome of the fully welded bumper. As you can see, look at these hinges. These hinges are massive. You could pretty much hang the car from those swing outs, and those hinges ain't going nowhere. Got a nice trailer hitch on there. You can be able to pull. I think he's planning on doing a trailer build for overlanding, which would be pretty cool. As you know, this is my brother-in-law's 4runner. At some point, I'd love to do a whole rig tour on what he's done to this thing. Other than that, this bumper went together really good. We're both really thrilled at how it turned out. It's got the swing out there for the gas cans. And then the cool thing with this one, if I paid attention to what I was doing, there's a latch right here. It's like another safety latch so that the tire swing doesn't come flying open. And from there we took it over to his work where he was gonna get her all set up for paint. So that's kind of what we're doing here. Luckily we had this hoist sitting around that we could use. And lifted it up, got her all set up for him, and he went ahead and sprayed it. Everything turned out really good with it. So he went with a really nice black finish for it. Really happy at how it turned out. He did do probably 2 or 3 coats on this. This was after like the first coat, and then we went and test fit everything to make sure everything was still good. Did a little touch-up painting on some spots that were hard to get to because, like I said, we had it on this funky-looking hoist that was right up against the wall, but it was really the only way to keep it high enough to where he could paint every piece of it. Especially went heavy on the inside because, you know, mud and all that stuff gets packed up in there, so we really wanted to protect all the parts that you couldn't just power wash out that were really easy to get to. But yeah, went together really good. Everything looks great on it. It really is a great combination with the silver and the black and the hints of chrome in it. But yeah, the combination setup of colors and the way this thing looks is just insane. It was a great add-on to this project. So the next part here, I've never done this. I've never taken a really good bumper and cut tons of pieces off of it to get it to fit onto a different bumper. So this was very nerve-wracking, and this took pretty much the entire night. So what we did was we started by just taking out the big chunks of the bumper that we knew were in the way, and then just by putting it on and off and on and off and taking little bits at a time, we were finally able to get this thing down to where it would fit on there good. And then I made some templates to kind of mock up so the two sides would match perfectly. But yeah, this took a long time, and for all you guys that do body work out there, you're probably laughing at me saying, oh, it's really easy, you know. We took all the measurements we needed and just took little pieces at a time after that to get this thing to fit the way we needed it to fit. And we're actually pretty stoked at how it turned out. For never really trimming a bumper down before, it turned out pretty good. We're pretty excited. Like I said though, we spent a lot of time putting this piece on and off and on and off, but finally we got her to fit. Everything looked really good. We tried to keep the gaps the same on each side. Some of the cuts were a little wavy, but it's so close on there that we're really happy with how it sits. And this thing, I don't know how you guys do it, you know, guys that do body work all the time. You guys are grade A professionals in my book, because this was, like I said, this is pretty nerve-wracking to cut a good bumper down. So this part here, we added a license plate bracket with the light, and as you can see, we just tapped into the running lights on the 7-pin trailer harness. Everything is soldered, heat shrunk, and nicely wrapped in that nice black coating. There's the wires that come in from the light. Everything there was, like I said, soldered, heat shrunk, and wrapped up in the nice wire loom and chased up into the bumper. And as you can see here, she lights up really nice. Everything works, the swing out works, it doesn't run into anything, no interference, and looks good. So I got him to send me a nice picture of the bumper all assembled. While this is uploading and everything, I'm back outside, I'm working on the Jeep. That's right, it's wintertime. We got Jeep projects. We're going to have more Jeep videos for you. But I wanted to put a little closure onto this little project that we were working on. In the next video in the beginning, I'll throw in some more video, some walk-arounds of this bumper being finished. Like I said, we're really stoked at how it turned out. It's a solid bumper, great build, fun project. If you're thinking about doing it yourself, I highly recommend it. But that's going to do it for this video. So you guys stick around, stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe, leave some comments. If you follow along on Instagram, you'll probably get some ideas of what future projects we got coming for the Jeep during the winter break. And yeah, can't wait to see you guys back on the next video and get the projects rolling. So other than that, have a nice weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.